guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 116. We are here with Tatiana on a Saturday on August 19th, and we're gonna fix her iPhone 6s. So enjoy, and we'll see you guys soon when we're done. Okay, done. Okay, there you go.
Okay, perfect.
Awesome.
So it's 90, no?
Yes, 90. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey guys, we just finished an iPhone 6s with space gray black screen. It was for a Yelp customer. Actually, it was a referral from a Yelp customer, and her name was Tatiana. She's from Colombia, and she was here with her 2 kids, and she just waited like 10-15 minutes, and we fixed her phone really quick, and she was able to go and do her things without having to wait in the shop for an hour while her kids were just like sitting there bored, you know. So everything was good. She was happy, we were happy, and that will conclude vlog 116 and this Phon-Er Gold. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in vlog 117 when the day comes. Peace. Cut. It's a wrap.